In this video, I'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing a vehicle with the check engine light on, specifically for code P0299 Turbocharger Supercharger A underboost condition. To start, I connected a scan tool to the car and confirmed the P0299 error code. Next, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. The turbocharger pressure sensor showed readings below the specified range, indicating an issue with the turbo system. To pinpoint the problem, I attached a vacuum pump to the turbocharger bypass valve and tested its functionality by applying vacuum. The valve leaked and couldn't hold the vacuum, confirming it was defective and causing the underboost condition. The fix was to replace the faulty turbocharger bypass valve. After the replacement, I cleared the error codes and took the car for another road test. This time, the vehicle performed perfectly. Turbo pressure was back to normal, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're dealing with the P0299 error code or similar turbocharger issues, this video will guide you through the diagnostic and repair process.